Alright, we're going to do a quick little video on wire crimping, terminals, etc. I like on the trucks I work on, they're mixer trucks, I like to use these. They're weather pack crimpers because the Deutsch connectors, while they're smaller and more compact, they're really a pain to get out when they get packed with mud and concrete. The weather pack come right apart and they're easy to make and reproduce. These are for insulated terminals, like the heat shrink terminals. They work really great. These are just another type of like weather pack crimpers. They work really great because you can't over crimp them. And these are for the flag type terminals. They are special crimpers. These are regular like service Deutsch connector crimpers. They work pretty good. I do like these ones better because they are tailored to the size of the actual wire instead of just in general. These are for the same thing, insulated terminals, and these are for non-insulated terminals. A lot of people use these when they should be using these, and it messes up the coating and kind of destroys them being weatherproof. So that's just worthless. You got your tools to take your terminals apart. They're handy to have. So with your weather pack ones, also, if you are cutting zip ties and you don't have a pair of these, get one. They're flush cuts, so you don't leave little razor blades that like to rip everybody open. With weather pack stuff, you know, it's like I make everything so instead of having to pull the truck apart, you just can service it. So what I do is, and this is going to be a pain with one hand, you have to put on your insulator, or you know, the weather seal part, and just line it up with the end of the wire, and then you load your terminal in. And sometimes these ends aren't built right, so you put them in the right size, and this holds them in there. And then you slide this in, and again, I'm going to set this down for a minute because it's too hard to do with one hand. And then you have a nice crimp, it's formed well, everything like that. And when I'm putting them together in these plugs, you see there's an A and a B. For ease, I always put the B as in black. Makes it easier, so when you're in a hurry, you know that was just black. But that's how I do them. It works. These trucks get washed in uric acid and mudslide and all kind of stuff, and these hold up. I also do like to put a little bit of dielectric around the actual rubber seals because this will not break down. It preserves rubbers and everything and seals out the moisture a little bit better and helps them glide together nicer. So that's what I do.